Hello, agri-tech enthusiasts. Today's video is a celebration of the incredible strides made in agricultural machinery, highlighting the tools that are redefining the way we grow food. So let's get started. Velcourt Knight 36 meter. The Velcourt Knight 36 meter trailed sprayer is a technologically advanced agricultural implement designed for efficient and precise crop protection. With its substantial spraying width, it covers large areas quickly, optimizing productivity. The trailed design ensures compatibility with various tractor sizes and provides excellent maneuverability. Equipped with advanced spray technology, it ensures uniform coverage and minimizes chemical wastage. The sprayer's adjustable settings allow for customization based on field conditions and crop requirements. Velcourt's commitment to innovation is evident in the Knight 36 meter trailed sprayer's technology integration, durable construction, and reliable performance. This implement stands as a reliable and efficient choice for modern farmers striving to enhance their crop protection practices and minimize environmental impact. New Holland FX60. The New Holland FX60 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled forage harvester designed to excel in modern agricultural operations. With its robust engine and advanced cutting and chopping mechanisms, it delivers exceptional performance in harvesting various crops for animal feed. The FX60's spacious and ergonomic cabin offers operators a comfortable and productive workspace during long hours in the field. Equipped with precision technology such as GPS guidance and data monitoring, it optimizes operational accuracy and control. Its compatibility with a range of headers and attachments enhances its versatility for different crops. New Holland's commitment to excellence is evident in the FX60's technology integration, durable construction, and reliable performance. This forage harvester is a reliable and efficient choice for modern farmers aiming to maximize their harvest yield and produce high-quality feed. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. Grimm Venter 4150. The Grimm Venter 4150 is a state-of-the-art self-propelled potato harvester that represents innovation and efficiency in modern agriculture. With its powerful engine and advanced technology, it's designed to optimize the potato harvesting process. The Venter 4150's spacious and technologically advanced cabin offers operators a comfortable and productive workspace during long harvest hours. Equipped with precision agriculture features like GPS guidance and data monitoring, it optimizes operational accuracy and minimizes crop losses. Its specialized components ensure gentle handling of potatoes to minimize damage. The integrated cleaning and sorting systems contribute to high-quality potato production. Grimm's commitment to excellence is evident in the Venter 4150's technology integration and reliable performance. Big CLAAS Xerion 5000. The Big CLAAS Xerion 5000 is a powerful and versatile tractor that embodies modern technology and robust performance in agriculture. With its substantial horsepower and advanced transmission system, it's designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with efficiency. The Xerion 5000's unique articulated design and four-wheel steering provide exceptional maneuverability and stability. Its spacious and technologically advanced cabin offers operators a comfortable and productive workspace during long work hours. Equipped with precision agriculture features like GPS guidance and data monitoring, it optimizes operational accuracy and control. The tractor's compatibility with a wide range of implements and attachments enhances its versatility on the field. Claas's commitment to innovation is evident in the Xerion 5000's technology integration, durable construction, and reliable performance. New Holland CX8080. The New Holland CX8080 is a high-capacity combine harvester that embodies efficiency and innovation in modern grain harvesting. With its powerful engine and advanced threshing and separation mechanisms, it's designed to handle large volumes of crops with exceptional performance. The CX8080's spacious and comfortable cabin offers operators a productive workspace during long harvest hours, and its advanced controls make operation intuitive. Equipped with precision agriculture features like GPS guidance and data monitoring, it optimizes operational accuracy and control. Its integrated cleaning and sorting systems contribute to high-quality grain production. New Holland's commitment to excellence is evident in the CX8080's technology integration, durable construction, and reliable performance. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates every day. Monocem 24-row twin. The Monocem 24-row twin planter is a cutting-edge agricultural implement that combines precision and efficiency in modern planting practices. With its innovative twin-row configuration, it offers optimized seed spacing and distribution, leading to uniform crop emergence. The planter's advanced seed metering technology ensures accurate seed placement, reducing wastage and improving yields. Equipped with adjustable settings, it accommodates various row spacing and crop types, enhancing adaptability. Monocem's commitment to innovation is evident in the planter's user-friendly controls and technology integration. The 24-row twin planter reflects Monosem's dedication to delivering high-quality solutions for optimal planting results and improved yields. This planter stands as a reliable and efficient choice for modern farmers seeking enhanced productivity and responsible farming practices. That's all for you today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.